Hey there and welcome to aifyit, the channel where we dive into all things AI, share tutorials, review AI tools, and cover the latest tech news. In today's video, we're going to talk about if you're interested in AI and want to stay up to date on the latest news and tools, then you're in the right place. So let's get started.
Hello friends. Today we are going to talk about an app that can turn your text into a video. Yes, you heard that right, an app that can turn your text into an eye-catching and engaging video, Pictory AI. Pictory AI is an app that can help you create eye-catching and engaging videos. Using AI and machine learning, the app can turn your text into an animated video with options for graphics, transitions, and sound effects, allowing you to create a professional-looking video. Here is a glimpse of some of its amazing features. But simply using the app won't be enough. If you want to create high-quality content, there are a few things you need to keep in mind. Firstly, you need to understand your audience's interests. What topic are you talking about in your video? Is your video informative or entertaining? Knowing the answers to these questions can help you focus your video. Secondly, you need to ensure your video's message is clear. What message do you want your viewer to take away from your video? Keeping this in mind can help you decide on your video's content and tone. Thirdly, you need to keep your video's length in mind. If your video is too long, viewer may lose interest. So, try to keep your video short and to the point. If you keep all of these points in mind while using Pictory AI, you can create high-quality content. And if you want full access to the app's features, you should try its paid plan, which offers even more advanced features and options. However, you can also try the app's free trial, which gives you access to limited features. If you want to use the free trial, use my promo code Kuldeep55 and enjoy the app. Additionally, you'll get 20% off if you opt for a monthly subscription plan. Are you ready to create high-quality content with Pictory AI? If yes, try it out now and make your social media videos even more engaging. And if you want more information about the paid plan or free trial, follow the link provided in the description of this video.
That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos about AI, tutorials, and tech news. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching aifyit, and we'll see you in the next one.